wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best wood-burning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the NSI 7733 offers a simple way for newbies to begin exploring design and creation. The set comes with everything you need to make a total of 10 projects, all packaged in a box that holds the promise of an exciting gift. It includes 9 slats and is recommended for age 14 and up with adult supervision, but it's not for heavy-duty use. At number 8, you'll receive a wide range of accessories in the uolor 45-piece, including 11 carving tips, 5 embossing tips, 2 pencils, and much more. However, the overall material quality isn't terribly durable, so this one may be best for those with only a casual interest. It does include a helpful user manual and operates between 200 and 450 degrees, but the tips come loose too easily. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Lenk L101KB includes a robust 30-watt tool and comes with a variety of brass metal tips as well as 2 handy cutting and fusing tips. The whole set is in a heavy-duty blow-molded case that's sturdier than many other options. It reaches 1050 degrees Fahrenheit and is backed by a 5-year guarantee, but there's no temperature control. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood-burning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Walnut Hollow 26370 comes with 8 patterns, transfer paper, and easy instructions to help a novice learn different outline and shading techniques. The 2 alphabet stencils have both upper and lowercase letters for varied options. It includes 6 colored pencils, however the stand is a little unsteady and the basswood plaques are cheap. Moving up our list to number 5. If you want to try this fun activity but aren't sure you'll stick with it, the Weller WSB25WB offers 9 attachments at a budget-friendly price. The lightweight tool is easy to handle and the tips can be quickly changed with a pair of pliers. It includes a bonus embossing tip, a plastic carrying case, and a well-insulated body. At number 4, the truart Stage 2 Professional offers precision that's tough to achieve with low-powered burners, in addition to 20 tips that will let you create all manner of pictures and motifs. The short pen allows for good maneuverability over a workpiece. It features an effective 60-watt pen, a digital temperature control, and a pen holder. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For crafters who are inspired to experiment on a variety of mediums, the Walnut Hollow Creative Versatool features a temperature-controlled art that gives you the flexibility to find the perfect amount of heat for any project. It can be used on cardstock or wax, and there are color-coded heat zones on the dial. It includes lead-free solder. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood-burning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the burnmaster Hawk is among the hottest pyrography tools, with an output of 130 watts controlled by a variable power supply. The all-metal housing protects the internals, and the copper contacts on the tips allow for good electrical conductivity. This one accepts attachments from other brands and is equipped with an overload protector. It's backed by a 3-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the versatile truart B134 includes 34 attachments and a metallic alphabet stencil for a wide range of applications, all packaged in a tidy case. It has 2 heating modes and warms up quickly, so you can get down to work faster. It includes a sturdy metal stand, a heat-resistant rubber handle, and a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood-burning kits, or simply click beneath this video.